YouTube, I'm back. All right, I've been gone for a little bit. Had to take care of some stuff. Really, just work stuff, military stuff. I'm still in the military, so Uncle Sam calls. You gotta go, right? But yeah, I just been so busy. But let's get to this top-down analysis. We got UJ here. We're on the monthly time frame. If you've been following my videos, you know I go from monthly, weekly, daily, H4 to get a directional bias. That's what a top-down analysis for. Is not necessarily for entries. You'll get entries and setups and a good perspective from the top-down analysis, but the whole point of it that I use is a directional bias for a particular pair, stock, or commodity. But all right, cool. We got the monthly time frame. Obviously, it's bullish, extremely bullish. The last high that was broken was right here. You always want to mark off some type of point of reference. You could have used this one, or this one, but I chose this one. This is the point of reference. Mark off that high with some type of horizontal line. And then you want to mark off the candlesticks that broke that high, that level of resistance, right? So these two candles right here. You want to look on the lower time frames to confirm the break. You should see higher highs and higher lows being created on the lower time frame for this particular area. These are two strong candles, so it should be fine. But you always want to make sure you go on the lower time frames to confirm that. All right, so currently price broke this level of resistance, came up, tested a level of resistance from 98. That's crazy, right? 1998. So that means price hasn't been up here since 1998. That's insane. But yep, it tested that 1998 high, and then it came back down to test newfound support, right? And what it looks to be doing is creating some type of higher low. We're kind of waiting for this monthly candle to close. After this monthly, it's the 30th, so I think it's safe to say that this candle will close bullish, unless something drastic happens in the next 12 hours or something. But yeah, I think it's pretty safe to say this candle will close bullish, and this will be higher low. Higher lows being created is a good indication that the market will continue to go up. All right, cool. Let's go to the weekly time frame. I feel like I'm a bit rusty, tripping over my words, and it's crazy. All right, cool. So weekly time frame is bullish now. At first, I remember making it bearish because of this level of support that I marked off right here. So 1, 2, 3, that's a pretty clean break, but it's a test on a higher time frame more than likely. Yep, on a monthly time frame it's just a test, but on a weekly time frame it's good to annotate it or just be aware of it. And you should see lower highs and lower lows in this area to confirm this break, right? All right, but it changed. So price broke out of here, came up to test newfound resistance, and then it looked like it was supposed to push down, but UJ didn't do that. UJ came up, and it actually broke this lower high right here, right? So it breaking that lower high with these two candles, 1, 2. For me, that's a continuation signal for price to continue upward based off this time frame, right? 1, 2, and you should see higher highs and higher lows on the lower time frame to confirm that break. And let's look. Yep. high high, high low, high high, high low, high high, low. Yep. All right, cool. Let's go to the daily time frame real quick. All right, so the daily time frame is obviously bullish. Let me refer to some of my notes real quick. Most recent low high broken for price to continue up, possibly setting up for a pullback. All right, so most recently this high was broken, right? So we can mark that off. That was the last higher high that was broken. So with these two candles, it's just as simple as that. Now price could, let me delete these so they don't confuse y'all. Those are just levels of indecision. All right, so 1, 2, and you should see higher highs and higher lows on the lower time frames to confirm this break of this level of resistance, right? This lower high right here, this higher high right here, excuse me. And then price could potentially, get ready to pull back. That's what it looks like it's probably going to do. If this candle closes bullish past this candle, that will be some type of evening star or bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, to signify that price is getting ready to pull back. All right, so let's go to the H4 time frame. Daily is definitely bullish, and I would assume that H4 is as well. Yep. H4 very bullish, creating higher highs and higher lows. Right, so higher high, higher low. It's just a high, high low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Same thing. Let me see. Yeah, that's really it for H4. Very bullish. Creating higher highs and higher lows. Pretty sure some entries will pop up sooner or later, at least buys. You could counter trend, but I'm not really into counter trending too much. Counter trend. Why can't I talk, man? Oh, counter trending is, I don't know, going against the trend with all these shallow retracements. 23.6. You don't know how far the counter trend is gonna go. You know what I mean? So it's like, it's just very risky. You can counter trend, but just know the overall bias. You want to go with the trend. But yeah, for me, I'm just waiting for UJ to find some type of level of support, strong level of support. I would identify that with some type of reversal pattern on the lower time frames, and which would create a bullish engulfing or some type of morning star on the H4 time frame for me, just to kind of signify a transition from a downtrend to an uptrend. And then I would look for entry based off my edge. But yeah, that's really it for UJ. I'm a little rusty, so excuse the me jumbling over my words. So next I'm gonna do is EU. All right, I'll see y'all on the next video.